Hi, my name's Steve Riley, and today we're going to talk about serves and the angles of serves and the depth and different types of serves. You might remember at school you did the angle of inflection and deflection. So if you're standing here, the angle the ball goes into the glass means there's a bigger angle going out of the glass. So it's a lot easier to get a ball back that comes off here to here rather than here to here. So that's one of the reasons you wouldn't stand here. You would stand closer to the middle so you get less angle like that. And again, we talked about previous lessons, how to serve, lock your arm, back, not your arm back. You can start here, but generally it's here, using your shoulders to get the power. And so I know every time, because I'm doing the same action, I'm not doing this. I've got the bat in the same angle, push. I'm pushing it towards glass 1. In fact, that is glass 9 because it's the ad side. Other serves. So if you're here, I would look at the glass 9. I'm looking at glass 9. And actually my opponent thinks I'm going to hit to glass 9, but I'm actually looking at glass 9, but I'm hitting it down the centre. So they're not actually ready for that because I'm looking at glass 9 but actually hitting down the centre. Same on the other side. You wouldn't stand here. You try and stand a bit closer, and part of serving technique, as we know in previous lessons or sessions, the technique is not based about just learning that. It's based about being stable base, bat back, not arm back, bat back, rotating your shoulders and moving in as you hit the ball, because you don't want to. You're not going to hit and see if it goes in. We're not doing that. You've actually hit the ball. Looking at it isn't going to change the direction of the ball. You've got to feel as though it's going in. I know this is going in, so I'm going to be moving in anyway. And we talked about before, not running too fast. I'm not running like crazy because I've got to slow down because the person's going to hit the ball to me. So my first few steps might be quick. Then I'm going to do a little split step, so my knees are down, getting ready for the next shot, which will be a volley or a lob retrieval.